30. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. How many in all? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We still get 90. Another strategy that we are good at doing is our hundreds chart. If we start at 30 and we're counting 60 on, there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Where'd we get to?
90.
Okay, we can show that we started at 30 and then we went 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We got to 90 because we hopped up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We hopped up 60 times and we got to 90. Okay? Yancy, I need you to turn around and sit on your bottom. And I want you just to watch. Since you weren't in here, I want you to watch. Okay? Our next problem. I threw in a subtraction, addition and subtraction on you. 50 minus 20. Raise your hand if you've got an answer on that. EJ, what did you get?
30.
What strategy did you use, EJ? Did you do the T-chart? Did you do tens and ones? Or did you use the number line? What did you use?
Number line.
You did the number line and counted backwards? The hundreds chart? So you started at 50 and you're going to have to go backwards, right?
Yes.
To 40, then to 30. So we hopped back 10, 20, and you got to 30. You can do the T-chart. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 5 minus 2 equals 3. How many of you had to draw out your tens and ones? I saw some people with tens and ones on their paper. Miranda, did you do tens and ones?
I did tens and ones with some of them, and then at the same time I did
Okay.
T-chart.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We're going to take 2 away. And that leaves us 3 tens, which is 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Mona Lisa, did you get it? Okay. Miranda just could not believe I gave you one that you actually had to think about today.
That easy.
75 plus 15.
Ooh. 10. Stop.
Ah. Is it easy to do the T-chart on this one?
Yeah.
No. Why is it not easy to do the T-chart on this one? Kirsten?
Because 5 plus 5 is 10.
And so we would have a 2-digit number there in the ones place. What are we going to do if that happens?
And give it a big number.
It's going to give us a big number, that's right. Can we decompose this 15?
I mean,
Can we break it apart?
Yeah.
Can we break it apart into a 10 and something?
Yeah.
What would it be if I broke it apart into a 10 and something?
A 10 and 5.
A 10 and 5 is going to give us 15. So we can decompose that and say 75 plus 10 plus 5 more, couldn't we?
Even 7 and 1 is 8.
Okay, let's decompose this into 10 and 5. That makes it a little bit easier for us. Now we can say 70 plus 10 plus 5 more. Can we do that?
Yeah.
Ah, you know how to do that one, don't you? What's 70 plus 10?
80.
80. 80 plus 5 more.
85.
85. Look at our hundreds chart.
And then you have the.
Okay, look at our hundreds chart.
75.
Okay, if we start at 70, okay, if we start at 70 and we go down 10, where do we go?
80.
80. And then 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 hops. Get me to what number? 85. I bet I'm going to get a lot of people that have this number right here, and they don't know what to do.
I know what to do.
Because 5 plus 5 was a 10, and 1 plus 7 was an 8.
Yeah.
How many of you have that answer?
And then I changed.
Because you had to stop and think.
It's 81.
Do what?
81.
81. We have to break that apart. Oh, that's 75.
Yeah.
This whole time. I have to add that other 5 to it.
That is
I have to add that other 5 to it. I'm going, that doesn't work either. We have to add this other 5 to it.
I was trying to tell you.
Is that what you were trying to tell me, Miranda?
Yeah.
That totally happens, doesn't it? Okay, 70 plus 10 is 80. Now 5 plus 5 is 10. And what's 80 plus 10?
90.
90, Miranda. See, I have to even think. I had it so hard I couldn't even think, could I?
That's my answer.
The answer is 90. Because I'm seeing a lot of this, 80 and 10, or 8 and 10. This is not just the number 8. It's 8 tens. How much are 8 tens worth? 80. So 80 and 10 more is what?
90.
90. There you go. The answer was 90. So we can decompose our numbers to make them into friendly tens so we can add and subtract a whole lot faster. Like 75, we can decompose that into 70 and 5. 15, Tosh, we can decompose into 10 and 5. 70 plus 10 is 80. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 80 plus 10 is 90.
I wanted to have one.
You like the hard ones?